Okay, we have a project for Nick's transmission where we have an existing auto repair facility, and we will be adding a storage addition on one side to the property line, and we will be adding a building to the rear to the property line. And then we're going to spruce up the facade by adding a metal roof to match this roof and a new entry canopy to replace the canvas canopy on the front. There's the addition. Phase 2 is shown, the pencil there. There's the alley, parking for 50 cars on the site. Mezzanine work area, we will be redoing, renovating this area, taking it all out, cleaning it all up. There's the mezzanine stair. And a little view there, a little clearer view of what's going on here. We're going to open it up, have the column there to break up the span to the masonry, and we could easily knock out the block and connect to the phase 2 building in the future. A little plan view which shows what we're going to be doing with the new customer area, office area, handicap bathroom for the guys with lockers in the break room, new break area there, and a private handicap toilet for the admin people and customers. Site plan showing building will be demolished, create 25 parking spaces this side, 25 this side. There's phase 2 that hasn't changed, easily can hook up to it. Little blow up showing the building itself. See the relationship of how we get into the truck bay with there's the mezzanine above, hoistway for the engine blocks, large tall truck bay for the repair, existing shop, new storage, revamped office area. A blow up of the revamped office area, and a blow up of the mezzanine truck. And here's what that looks like. We'll have 14 feet to the floor line, 8 foot clear to the steel trusses, which will be thinner because you can break it up in the mid span. Then it'll leave us a 22 foot ceiling in the truck bay, so we can jack these things up and work below. Area to get in and out of the shop there, and a little 3D of what the whole thing looks like in a line drawing.